In this video, I will show you how to fix dark mode not showing on Instagram. Okay, so first of all, go to your phone settings. Now here, type on the search bar apps. Click on apps and select manage apps. Now here, search Instagram. Click on it and go on storage. Now you have to clear cache data. Click on clear data and click on clear cache. Select OK. Now also click on force stop and force stop your app. After doing it, go to Play Store. Type Instagram. Now update your Instagram to its latest version. Now after updating the app, wait for some minutes and again open the app. Tap on your profile icon on your bottom right corner and click on these three lines on top right corner. Now scroll down and look for accessibility and translations. Here you can see, here's the dark mode. Click on it and select on. Now as you can see, the dark mode is enabled on Instagram. So that's it for the video. That's how you can turn on dark mode on your Instagram. Thanks for watching.